Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the restricted mode has hidden comments for this video on YouTube. So first, simply scroll down on the YouTube page and check if restricted mode is turned on. So if it is, simply scroll to the bottom, then turn off the restricted mode option. Then simply try refreshing the page once you do that. So if you're signed into an account, simply click on your profile picture, then go to restricted mode. From here, you can also make sure that it's disabled here as well. Then next, you can also check if you're on a managed network like school, work, or public Wi-Fi, because restricted mode can be forced by network settings. So simply try switching to a different network or using mobile data. Now finally, if you're using the YouTube app, you can also go to settings, then general. From here, you can also try turning off restricted mode. So after this, comments should show up normally again under the video. And that's it. So that's how to get rid of that message on YouTube. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.